Hi, I made something new for you to use if you choose to instead of Google Classroom, or you can use it with Google Classroom if you want. I'm realizing helping my kids at home that having things in all kinds of places is difficult. So the first thing you're going to see is just a little note to you. And then what I did was I put all of the extra websites that you're linking, I put their usernames and passwords. This first part is a how-to video. If you just click like this, it'll show you a video how to use each one of these resources.
Hi parents,
so this is just a video about how to use Worldbook online. And then this is the link for that website, so it'll take you to it. And if there's a username or a password, I put it right there for you to use for all of these resources. Some of these are extra activities for your kids to do. Some of them are Moreno Valley Unified resources, our school counselors, Google Classroom, so you can kind of take a look at those and decide what things maybe are helpful for your child and which things you are choosing not to use, which is fine. Then what I did was I took all of the day's work from Google Classroom and I organized it. And I'm using colors to kind of help guide you. So the same color is all that day. So I put their daily video, which is just me giving their instructions for the paperwork that I sent home. That's the first thing you'll see. I put daily answers for all that paperwork in a Google folder for you to see. So you can click on each one of these. Their analyzed charts are in there and all of the work with answers in there. The next thing is their Flipgrid, which if you need a reminder on how to use Flipgrid, there is a video up here. So I put a link to each day's. I put their analyze skill. It's just a video in class. We would go over a skill and we talk about words and write them down, words that would have that sound. Language arts skill, it's a video that's going over a skill that we've been practicing or a new skill. This one is the long vowel with the magic E. 3D shapes is a math skill that we're learning. So that would be a math video. There's a mindfulness video if you choose to have your child watch that, an exercise video. For their journals every day, I've picked an animal. This day, day one is polar bears. So if you click, this is an art video to show your child how to draw polar bears for their journal. There's some science activities. This has to do with animals and the Arctic. Worldbook, if your child goes there, they can search polar bears. And again, if you go back up to Worldbook, there's a video on how to use that. Epic Books, I already made a video and shared that. Your child can read books and read polar bear books there. There's an animal video that tells about polar bears, and then a language arts story. So basically every day, if you just follow the colors, you'll get all the links without having to go to Google Classroom. I hope that helps. Bye.